Hello and welcome to AI Home Lab. Today we're pitting the RTX 3060 against the Nvidia P40 in LLM inference tasks, but also for text-to-image and text-to-video tasks. Last time we compared our old P40 against the RTX 3090, where you could see that it struggled against the newer kid in the block. But how will it fare against the little brother, the RTX 3060? Let's break down the performance. For LLMs, the 3060 consistently outperforms the P40 across various models, but not by a massive margin. The 3060 will outperform the P40 in inference speed by around 20% when using GPUs. Now, for image generation, we want to show you some results, some pictures, because that's actually what you want to generate. So we thought about what to show you. Since cute cats, well, they always go viral, we've decided to change things a bit up, spice them up with facts about murderous felines and obviously matching images. Remember, your fluffy friend is just a few meals away from considering you as the main course. In CNN or text-to-image tests, the 3060 doesn't just outperform the P40 by a bit, but by a lot. For SDXL, the 3060 processes each step in about 0.79 seconds, while the P40 takes nearly 3 times the duration to do the same. In SD3, the 3060 pounces at 0.95 seconds per step, leaving the P40 in the dust at 2.46 seconds per step. For Flux, the 3060 nearly doubles the P40's performance. Now, did you know a cat's night vision is 6 times better than a human's? They're basically tiny furry predators with built-in night vision goggles. For video generation, both cards perform similarly, with the 3060 processing each step in 24.54 seconds, and the P40 takes 25.73 seconds per step. Now we're having a look at price to performance. At $200 for the 3060 and $310 for the P40, the 3060 offers superior performance per dollar, especially for image generation tasks. 12GB of VRAM will be enough for most tasks, at least if you don't want to go above a resolution of around 1080 by 1080, even if you use the Flux models. Now let's head to the conclusion. For LLMs, the 3060 is about 20% faster on average, which is a bit but not a lot. For image generation, the 3060 is a whopping 2.44 times faster, so that's quite a lot. For video gen, they're nearly equal, with the 3060 just 4% ahead. But for a final look, we will compare the specs. The RTX 3060 has 3584 CUDA cores. These are the basic processing units of general GPU tasks, or for general GPU tasks. It also features 112 tensor cores. These are specialized for AI and deep learning computations. It also features 28 RT cores, meaning ray tracing cores. These are dedicated to ray tracing calculations, but can sometimes also speed up AI tasks. It has 12 gigs of GDDR6 VRAM. This is kind of a fast memory for storing models and weights, and also for processing them. In contrast, the Nvidia P40 has 3840 CUDA cores, so slightly more than 3060, but it's an older architecture. It features no RT cores and no tensor cores, so this means it's a little bit less specialized for AI and graphic tasks. Could also mean it's less well adapted for future tasks. It has 24 gigabytes of GDDR5X VRAM, which is a bit slower than GDDR6, but it features double the memory. While the P40 has more CUDA cores and VRAM, the 3060's newer architecture and specialized cores give it the edge in most AI tasks. The P40 has its advantage in the raw amount of VRAM, which can enable you to load more or bigger models. But the 3060 will be faster in about every task it can handle. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more GPU comparisons and LLM benchmarks, and remember, your cat may look cute, but it's probably calculating how many bites it would take to eat you, just in case.